My friends, including my husband, always ask me, how do you get ready so fast in the morning? Today, I'm going to show you how I could create big curls using these tools from the Dyson Airwrap. Come, let me show you.
Let's start with pre-drying my hair and high flyaways with Coenda smoothing drying attachment.
There are two barriers in each set, so they have the thicker and the thinner barrier. The thicker barrier will give you a bigger curls and the thinner barrier will give you a smaller curls. So today, we'll go ahead with this and to show you what kind of curls it can create.
Here's a tip. Set curls with the cold shot for 5 seconds. It's that easy. Lastly, use the round volumizing brush to add volume to the fringe. Ta-da! Now you can have a salon blowout at the comfort of your home in just 10 minutes. Thank you, Dyson Airwrap, for taking my hairstyling game to a whole new level.